Hey guys, Thomas here, and today we have a new edit of some old footage. We've finally started actually going through footage. Well, I say we, Dad's been going through the old footage and accumulating everything together. But what we have today is the FPVR Aussie Open from 2019. For some reference, since that was over a year ago now, at this time it was one of the first big races that the JS1 was going to be going to, still pre-production at this point. And it was also right when I was working on the development with the Betaflight guys, and we were really experimenting with code, analyzing race data. So this was running a lot of prototype equipment, and there was sort of a lot of, I don't know what you call it, like tense excitement to see how it was going to go, see what was going to happen. So without further ado, enjoy the video, and yeah, I'll see you at the end. Hey guys, Thomas here, and today we're driving to the Aussie Open. Last week was the Australian International Air Show. We were racing there for a week alongside the Defence Force and some other civilian pilots. It was a really fun event. Had an awesome week. It was a bit tiring, but making cool connections with people. And just, yeah, it was good fun. I mean, you know, you get to fly and there's like an F-35 next to you and stuff. So, you know, it doesn't get much better than that. But yeah, we're on the big drive right now to Sydney from Melbourne. It's been good. Been running the new fleet. The new fleet's been going well. Just sort of discovering the little quirks, making some tweaks. Just sort of, you know, we've got this new fleet now, seeing exactly what's good about it, what's not, what needs improving. I mean, it's obviously a continuing process, but, you know, we're sort of in that early phase where we're really still feeling it out. Hey guys, Thomas here, and today we are in Sydney. We're here for the FPVR Aussie Open. I've actually won this, like, you know, the FPVR Aussie Open twice before this, so the 2 years before it's ran. So for this one I am pretty like pumped to try and do well. Had a lot of preparation and it's been pretty good. Had the Australian International Air Show last week. I was there for all the days for the drone zone, so doing drone racing, that kind of thing. And
that was Tuesday through Sunday, wasn't it?
Tuesday through Sunday, so that was really intense, having like an hour drive up and back every day. But we got to test a new fleet and sort of feel out the quirks and stuff. It was funny because just before that, the Barcelona testing for the Formula 1 had happened, so it felt like we were doing that. But all the gear's running good. This is really now a matter of actually seeing how we go in the races. I think if everything goes our way, I mean it's the case with any racing, but I think we should have a good chance. But we'll see, it's going to be fun.
So this is actually our Airbnb at the moment, where we're staying. We've got the fleet, you can see the fleet down there.
Can they see it?
They can see it.
They can see it, or they
can see the fleet. So the fleet's down there. And this is the place. It's actually really nice.
It is. It's really nice.
Nice layout.
So good.
We've got the flickering because I have got this set to NTSC, but it's PAL here.
It's PAL?
Sorry, okay.
The house is PAL.
The house is running at 50 hertz. So you can see the lights cycling.
No, the house is running at PAL.
We're running at 60 hertz here on the camera. So hence that's why I can see the flicker, but we're gonna change it.
Can we have that as a thing now? Where like, this house is actually PAL, not NTSC?
Kind of, isn't it?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Oh well, let's get out there and do some testing, eh?
Let's do it. Hi guys, Thomas here, and today we're at the Avalon Air Show. No, we're not at Avalon Air Show. We are at the FPVR Aussie Open. We were at Avalon Air Show last week, but we're at the Aussie Open. This will be third year running. We're excited. The track is, I'm gonna say, interesting. I think it's gonna be a cool track for video, but there's like a bit you go over water and I don't like that very much. But it's a big track, a bit of a sort of semi-enduro, so that's gonna be really interesting. I'll probably be playing with 6L. This might be my first race running 6L, so we'll see how we go. We're going to mismatch a battery, so we're just going to feel out what works and what doesn't. We've got a practice day today, we've got a qualifying day tomorrow, so that'll be my time to sort out my setups, and then hopefully we're set for the race. I think we'll be fine. There's like, you know, sort of seeing what other people are running, you know, we're all running sort of the same basic idea of sort of what direction we want to go in, or similar approaches anyway to the same solution, so I think at the very, you know, we don't have to worry about, oh, someone's got a magic setup, it's going to be like perfect for the track, but we'll see how we go. It's going to be really fun. There's lots of cool people here. It's been awesome to catch up with some familiar faces, and also see new faces. But yeah, it's been good. We'll see you over at the tracks.
Nice and quiet in the pits, please. Goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads as we go live on the tone in less than 5. Go! Okay, there we go. 3 pilots through the start finish. Just bring them out this first complete lap, and then we'll start looking. Okay, here comes BMS Somers.
Traffic coming up. 3,
Wedge.
2, 1, you're on him now.
Okay, comes in with a 10.090. BMS Somers, Houdini 24, Wedge 21373.
Good track.
Okay, BMS Somers sub 10 again, 9.870. We want to see 3 sub 10s here from BMS Somers, and he will improve on his position or times. Okay, here we go, another sub 10. BMS Somers 9.799. Can you give us one more?
Traffic coming up, okay? Hold slow in. 3, 2, 1, you're going to be on him any minute.
And there it goes with a 9.520. You saw it here first, guys. You saw it here first. Top 3 consecutive of sub 30 seconds. 29.189. Is he going to give us 4? Oh, he's so professional, this guy. He's so professional. Okay, Wedge with a 15.376. No movement here with the other 2 pilots. Houdini with a 19.519. Still no movement there. And BMS Somers just going out for a day's drive with a 13.323. Enjoying the scenery.
What was it?
It's okay, made it through safe, so we'll see how we go the last one.
Okay, can you explain to us what is about to happen?
I'm about to fly an X class, is what's about to happen. I don't know what to expect. I'm really, really nervous. This thing's big, makes a fair bit of noise, but we'll see how we go. I think I'm just gonna, take it easy. This is, a lot of time and effort's gone to building this thing, so try and keep it in one piece.
And this man has faith in handing over a beast to you.
Yeah, definitely a crazy person, but thank you so much for your craziness.
Hey, I love it. Appreciate what you've done for the community, and just what I really want to share. What I get to fly every day, so I think you're gonna have a blast.
Thanks.
Thoughts on X class?
It's pretty cool. Big drones. Go
Sorry, I'm just going to be quiet now. I'm just finishing
Big.
Big? $50 spinny boys.
I was going to say I've got a mouthful of wedge there, but okay, let's get ready.
Yep.
Waiting for the thumbs up, and we have the thumbs up. Okay, so BMS Somers and Epic head to head. Goggles down, thumbs up. Pilots, arm your quads.
Good, you're armed.
As we go live on the tone in less than 5. Go!
Clear.
Okay, they both take off there. It looks like Epic just took the lead straight away. BMS Somers just behind him as they approach the first gate. And yeah, Epic goes through that gate nice and clean. Thomas very low to the ground there. Oh, it looks like BMS Somers is now to the lead because Epic just took a tumble. So BMS Somers now in first place. I don't think Epic's going to recover from that. He might do. So BMS Somers finishes his first lap and now he's just cruising.
Oh, desync.
Oh, BMS Somers goes down, but he went further.
What happened?
Unless Epic can get up.
Desync did the final straight, so.
Not take off.
Oh, well.
Epic is down.
It was looking good, yeah.
First place. Epic
Damn.
takes out second.
Yeah, so you've had your first 2 races or 3 races?
I have my first
2.
Nice to have him back up there.
2 races. Yeah, first 2 races, they've gone well. At times they're looking good, but I wouldn't mind a bit more out of them, just so I'll get a bit of a gap. Just trying to conserve energy right now. I'm really starting to feel it. Having 3 weeks of racing, it's hard. I don't know how I'm still operating, so I'm looking forward to a break after this, but we're still going to keep the power on for a few more hours, so...
Especially the Australian International League Show, that was tough, wasn't it? Because that was 6 days of straight racing.
It was, yeah. So we'll see how we go. Everyone's looking really sharp, though, so it's going to be tight for sure. Hopefully I can just squeeze that little bit more out, so we'll see.
Showing.
Wait, is my quad back there?
Yes.
I want to hug it.
Well,
That was intense, my little blue bubble. It's basically like my Fiesta. Oh, there's Dan. Dan! He's
Well
the
done,
man.
Thomas.
Thank you. Thank you.
Back on form, it's great. It's good.
That was crazy racing, man. I don't know what to say. Everyone was on point. That was for an Australian race. Keep in mind, this is national level, right? I don't know what to say, man. That was amazing. So can't wait to race these guys again, but I'm scared. It's fast, but it's so much fun. So glad to be here with everyone.
we've got a special guest here.
We do. I have to thank you so much.
Hey, that was fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for flying all that stuff I built. I put 2 years of my life into making it great. You just showed how good it is. So
Dude,
thank
it's an honor to be running your stuff, so thank you so much. Thank you for trusting me with it. This man here's a legend, so yeah, I think we'll be seeing more.
All right, those in
Absolutely,
the
there'll be a video on it. But
pit area.
Thank you so much.
We are doing a track breakdown before we make our
go
way.
right back, don't we? All the way back to Dubai.
from
Dubai, the
here
first time we met,
That's
Dubai,
right.
that's right.
for the
5
presentation.
years ago. So anyway,
So before anybody
Thank you.
leaves,
back.
if you could just jump onto your feet and make your way on.
First place with 3 sub-10 laps was BMS Thomas. Who also nearly cracks the 9-second mark, by the way. Wow.
Let's hear it for our top driver, Jeff.
Alright, so in third place we have Red Roo. Hotly contested. Hold on, mate. Stay up here, mate. Alright, bringing in second we had Ben. It was close. These two actually finished both even on 8 points, but we had a rollback to highest place, so Ben took out second. All right, so that leaves us with our winner. So for the 2019 FPVR Australian Open, our winner, BMS Thomas. Well done. And there's our top 3 with the trophy. Beautiful. Well done.
Okay guys, so that is a wrap for the FPVR Aussie Open. Managed to take time trials and managed to take the main track. It's been a really fun race. Everyone had their A game on. I was very lucky to scope through some of those races, but I'm happy with where I went. Thank you to the people that run Mulberry Park. You guys let us fly here, and it's awesome to be here and have a cool view while we're racing. So thank you for letting us use your facilities. Thank you to FPVR and the event sponsors for hosting this race. It's always cool to be here every year and to be here again. It's awesome. And then also thanks to our sponsors. Without you guys, you know, we can't do what we do, and we are truly a team. So this is as much a win for you guys as it is for us. Hopefully we can keep this going. We'll see how we go, but it's been good. So I'll catch you in the next one.